Adding integers. The set of integers consists of whole numbers and their opposites. Looking at the number line, the positive integers are located to the right of 0. Numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. The negative integers are located to the left of 0. Numbers such as -1, -2, -3, and so on. Each integer communicates two pieces of information. The distance from 0 is indicated by the number part, and the direction moved is indicated by the sign. So consider the integer -3. 3 indicates that we are 3 units from 0. The negative sign indicates that we are located to the left of 0. When we add integers, it's helpful to visualize this with the number line. In example 1, we're asked to evaluate -6 plus -14. So going to our number line, locating our 0, we move 6 units in the negative direction, as is indicated by the -6. Since we are adding a -14, we continue moving in the negative direction, 14 more units to the left. Our answer is determined by our final location. So notice that we are now located to the left of 0, which means that our answer will be negative. To determine the exact location to the left of 0, we need to determine the total distance from 0. And to do that, we take 6 plus 14, the total units moved to the left, giving us a total distance of 20 and a final answer of -20, since we are located to the left of 0. Generalizing, when we add two integers having the same sign, we add the number parts and keep the common sign. In example 2, we're asked to evaluate -5 plus 12. Again, going to the number line, we begin at 0, and we move 5 units in the negative direction to -5. Since we are adding a positive 12, we begin where we left off and we move 12 units in the positive direction. Again, our answer is determined by our final location. So to figure out our answer, we need to determine the distance from 0. Notice that since we are to the right of 0, our answer will be positive. And to figure out that distance, we need to take 12 minus 5 to give us 7. So since we are 7 units to the right of 0, our answer is a positive 7. Generalizing, when we add two integers having different signs, we subtract the smaller number part from the larger number part and keep the sign of the integer having the larger number part. So in this particular example, the integer having the larger number part is the positive 12. So our answer ends up being positive. And then subtracting the number parts, 12 minus 5, gives us our 7. In example 3, we're asked to evaluate 8 plus -20. Since the two integers being added have different signs, we determine which integer has the larger number part and keep the sign of that integer. So, since -20 has the largest number part, our answer in this example will be negative. To figure out the number part of our answer, we subtract the number parts of our two integers. So we're going to take 20 minus 8, which gives us 12, but we keep the negative sign since the integer with the largest number part is negative. So our answer is negative 12. Now, as I mentioned, the number line helps to visualize this process. So looking at our number line, we would start at 0, move 8 units in the positive direction to 8. Then, since we're adding a negative 20, we would continue in the negative direction 20 units to the left. Our final location determines our answer. Since we are now to the left of 0, that tells us that our answer will be negative, which is as we would expect. And the distance from 0 at our new location is determined by taking 20 minus 8, giving us 12. So we ended up 12 units to the left of 0 at negative 12.